So there was these marine biologists. And they said, what are the 2 fiercest animals in all of the ocean? So they wanted to find out what's the coolest animal we could take and mix it with another animal. Well, what's the scariest animal in the ocean? A shark. No. What's one of the biggest animals in the ocean? An octopus. So they took a shark and an octopus and they took its DNA. And these marine biologists, they were brilliant. They took the DNA and they put it together and they made a sharktopus. This sharktopus was awesome. It had the head of a shark and the teeth of a shark. It even had the tail of a shark. But out of its belly came 8 legs with tentacles, and it was huge. This sharktopus was 50 feet long and 50 feet tall. It was huge. It was like a skyscraper. Well, the marine biologists were really smart. They said, we're going to raise this sharktopus, and we're going to be able to raise it like a puppy, like where we teach it commands like sit and bark and lay and roll over. Well, they taught the sharktopus commands, and they put a chip in its brain, and they said, we're going to teach the shark, we're going to use the sharktopus when we go to war with other countries. How scary would it be if you're a soldier, and you're like, sharktopus! Well, so they controlled the sharktopus, and it lived in the water until the sharktopus, its brain kept growing, and it crushed the chip in its brain, and the sharktopus got a mind of its own. No longer was it controlled by the marine biologists. And the sharktopus grew bigger and bigger to where it came out of the ocean. It didn't need gills to breathe anymore because it could breathe regularly through its mouth because of the DNA split. Instead, it went up on the water and it walked around on its tentacles, and they lost all control of the sharktopus until there was a girl named Jane. And the sharktopus was climbing up the Empire State Building. And he picked up Jane. He said, I eat you. And she was like, no! King Kong! And she was like, this worked on King Kong. Is it going to work on you? He said, no. And he ate her. The end.